Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram post with music. Now, I know what it's like creating that awesome post, and there's a perfect song that would go with an image, and you just want to be able to add that music on there, and you'll have that music and the photo, it'll be perfect on a post. To create that, I'm going to walk you through a bit of a workaround. So let's open up Instagram here. And I am going to just tap on the plus icon at the very top here to create a post. Now, say I want to choose this image as the image that I want to create and add music to. Now, there's no functionality in Instagram to add music to a post. So what we need to do is tap the X at the top left here, and then just swipe over to the right and create a story first that will then transfer over to a post. So I'm going to tap at the bottom left and then choose that same image. And now that I have this image, I can tap the sticker icon at the top right and then tap music. And then I'm just going to choose this Bob Marley song here and I'm going to hit done. And what I will do is make that Bob Marley really small and move it to the, say, bottom right of here. So you can see that I have that Bob Marley song on there, but you can't really see it. And if I turn up this volume, you can hear that Bob Marley song. So what I'm going to do from here is all I'm going to do is swipe down from the top right here and tap that record button. So I'm obviously recording this, but just record that and you'll get a screen recording of both this image and the music at the same time. Now, once you have that, a reminder that it will include all this stuff at the top and the bottom here. So once you do that, create that screen recording, you just go into Photos here, and say this is the screen recording, you just tap edit at the top right here and then the crop button at the bottom right, and you're just going to crop that video, that screen recording that you just created, to only include the image along with that music. So once you're done with that, you can just go into Instagram as normal and create a post. Let's discard that and get out of there, and then you can just create a post and upload that screen recording that you just created, and it will have music to that post, that photo. You can do the same thing with videos as well. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.